Lost your pet? No worries. Why? Because you can make a quick flyer with Pixlr Express. Just open Pixlr Express and upload a clear photo of your pet. Use Pixlr's Auto Adjust tool to enhance your pet's photo. This helps brighten the image, sharpen the details, and make sure your pet looks clear and instantly recognizable. Next, add a fun or unique shape to frame your pet's photo. You can also use this shape as a background element to make your poster text stand out. Then add the essential details: your pet's name, reward, and your contact number. Keep the text simple so it's quick to read. Choose an easy-to-read font and a color that stands out against the photo. Once you're happy with the design, save and share it. With Pixlr Express, you can design a clear, attention-grabbing flyer in minutes, and it could be the tool that helps bring your pet home.